Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will to show you the way how you can add the voice on your video or add voiceover just to explain the videos about in TikTok application. Open your TikTok application and then tap into this plus button to create a new content. And then next you can just go take the content in the real time, take the video or photo, or you can also upload from your photo library. If you want to upload, just tap into this upload and then tap into the videos, and then you just need to find the videos that you want to use here, and then tap next. And right after that you just need to dismiss the sound.
Look at this.
And the next you just need to tap into this icon, click record, and start to record your voice. A new basket product is about to launch. And then if you satisfied, tap down and check. A new basket product is about to launch. Click save. A new basket product content is ready to be uploaded. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.